Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super convenient that's changing the way we pay. Visa Tap to Pay. If you're tired of fumbling with cash or swiping cards, this is a game changer for quick and secure transactions. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. First things first, what exactly is Visa Tap to Pay? It's a contactless payment method powered by NFC technology, which stands for Near Field Communication. This means you can pay by simply tapping your Visa card or a compatible mobile device on a payment terminal. It's widely accepted at stores, cafes, and even online in some cases. The best part? It's fast, often taking just a second or two. To get started, make sure your Visa card has the contactless feature. Look for that little wave-like symbol on your card. It looks like a Wi-Fi icon. If you're using a smartphone, download a digital wallet app like Apple Pay or Google Pay and add your Visa card to it. This setup is straightforward and usually takes less than a minute. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. When you're at the checkout, inform the cashier you're using Tap to Pay, or just go ahead if it's self-service. Step 2. Hold your card or phone about an inch away from the contactless reader on the terminal. Don't worry about aligning it perfectly, the technology does the work. Step 3. Wait for the confirmation. You'll hear a beep or see a green light. That's it, your payment is processed securely. Why should you use this? It's not just speedy, it's also more hygienic since you don't have to hand over your card. Plus, it's secure with encryption that protects your information. One tip. Be aware of transaction limits, which can vary by bank, usually up to $100 or so per tap. And always double-check your receipts to stay on top of your spending. If you run into issues, like a failed tap, try moving your card closer or ensuring your phone's NFC is turned on. Overall, Visa Tap to Pay is a hassle-free way to shop smarter. Give it a try next time you're out, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.